given the recurrence relation a subscript n equals 1 on n, you have to solve this. So this is so simple. What you have to do is substitute the value of the n. So you have a subscript 1 will be equal to 1, then on 1, so which will be 1. So 1. The same thing with the 2, a subscript 2, which will be 1 on 2. A sub 3, 1 on 3. A sub 4, 1 on 4. A sub 5, 1 on 5. Then you do the summation. The summation will be, we add all. Okay, so summation meaning add all. So you add this plus this plus this plus this. So you have the summation of a sub n from 1 to 5, which will be equals to 1 plus 1 on 2 plus 1 on 3 plus 1 on 4 plus 1 on 5. You have to leave your answer in fraction. So when you add everything, it will be a recurrent decimal. So, but if you maintain the fraction, you get 137 on 60, which is the same as 2 whole number 17 on 60. And that's all. Thank you.